Hey New Yorkers, William for New York here, and see those waves right now because I'm kind of a little pissed off because those waves, those dirty water just finally splashed me. Don't believe me? Just check this out. If you stand close to it, it gets salty. And even it's kind of windy too. Holy shit. Whoa. Yeah, even though it's kind of a little sunny out. Yeah, it's kind of a little sunny outside. Okay, I'm in the beach, the same one right now. Holy crap. Now it's like you see it the day after tomorrow when you see those waves. Hey, New York. But New York is straight. I took my compass earlier. And I was kind of a little hot, so it's like 80 something degrees outside. Yeah, that's the temperature for the day. That's the whole time we went. You see the red sun, the letters over there. Ah! Okay, this windy is because the waves like approach. So see, I was right about that. It's kind of a little splashy right now. So, now what happened? Yeah, I saw it. Helicopters. I'm not videotaping myself right now. While I'm holding that phone, I'm holding my dad's selfie stick. Okay, this is getting a terrifying nightmare right now. As soon as you see those waves.